So the videos that you just saw are actually helping so many creators here on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, and even on TikTok cash out sweet money. And the better part of it is that they're actually made with AI. So what's preventing you from creating such kind of videos is maybe because you haven't learned the skill. And that's why I'm here today to explain to you and take you step by step on how you can create such kinds of videos and use them in different ways, like posting in your social media pages. You can also create videos for businesses to showcase their different products or even promote your products using these AI videos. And so let's get started. So before you start, it's always good to know like what kind of content you want to create. Is it a romantic video? Is it an African folktale story? Is it an entertainment video like dancing videos? Is it a cinematic movie, or is it an educational content? So once you have the type of video that you want to create in mind, now you can head over to ChatGPT to start creating your script. So let's head over to ChatGPT, and today I'll be creating a story about a stepmother who had one biological daughter and one stepdaughter, but she always made the stepdaughter suffer. So for ChatGPT to generate for us a very good script, we need to give it a very good prompt. And I love to use the mic to dictate what I want instead of typing, because I feel like the mic helps me express myself better. So click on the mic and start dictating. So hi ChatGPT, I want you to create for me a very interesting story. And the story should be about a stepmother who had one biological daughter and a stepdaughter, but she always mistreated the stepdaughter, beat her for no reason. She never used to wash her clothes. Sometimes she never used to give her food, and she always made her do all the household chores. She actually hated her for no reason and only loved her biological daughter. And whenever the husband tried to stop her, she always told him not to side with the stepdaughter. So from the storyline I gave you, please give me a very interesting video script, and please make it longer, like 5,000 to 6,000 words, and it should be filled with human emotions. And please use simple English that even a 6-year-old can understand, and also help me break it into chapters. Thank you. And once you're done with this, press on enter, and ChatGPT will give you a very good video script. So you can see what ChatGPT gave us. And it's actually broken into chapters, and it has even given it a title, The Girl Who Cried in Silence. So this is what I dictated to ChatGPT, and it actually starts the story very well. Like, in a small village, there lived a little girl called Amina. Amina was a quiet child with big blah blah blah, and it's even broken into chapters. It has given us chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, 4. It has actually given us 15 chapters, which is very good. But now we want our video script to be in dialogue form, because we want to create a movie, and people in movies always have dialogues. So now what you do is go back to ChatGPT and tell it to give you the same script but in dialogue form, and not to skip any chapter. So let's hit the mic and start dictating again. So thank you so much for the script that you've just given me. I love it, and I love it that you've broken it into chapters. But now I want to create a movie, and as you know, in movies people always have dialogues. So please give me the same script and don't skip any chapter. Give me the same script but now in dialogue form to use for my movie. Thank you. So ChatGPT says I'm giving you the same story, same chapters, same emotional flow, but now written in a much more movie style dialogue format. And it has actually given us a very good dialogue, which is broken into scenes. Like in chapter 1, there's scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. In chapter 2, there's scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, and scene 7. And it goes on and on until the 15th chapter. And now that we have our dialogue, now we can go ahead and create our AI images. And still ChatGPT will help us with this. And remember that we want consistent characters in our movie. And so we have to dictate that in our prompt. So now this is where you tell ChatGPT what you want your characters to look like. Are they black? Are they white? Like, which setting do you want? Is it a traditional or a modern setting? And always remember to tell ChatGPT to give you the images in 3D Pixar style. And also remember to tell it to give you like enough image prompts for each scene, because one image prompt might not be enough for each scene. So don't forget to tell it to give you enough image prompts. So let's dictate exactly what we want. So thank you ChatGPT for the dialogue that you just given me. But now I want you to help me generate image prompts for each scene, and please give me enough image prompts for each scene, because one image prompt might not be enough for each scene. And give me the image prompts in 3D Pixar style. And please, I also want consistent characters, so please help me generate the image prompts, and I hope you understand everything. Thank you. It says, I understand exactly what you want. You want to turn this video into a movie. Image prompts for each scene, more than one prompt per scene, consistent characters, and 3D Pixar style look. Prompts you can use in AI image generators, and visuals that help you create a full storytelling video. You see, ChatGPT understood exactly what you wanted, and it has actually given us very good image prompts. Like Amina is a 7 to 10-year-old girl, a slim, young African girl, dark brown skin, big emotional brown eyes, small round face, short natural black hair, and so on and so on. It has given us Mariam's prompt. Mariam is the mother, Moses is the father, Beatrice is the stepmother, Sharon is Beatrice's biological daughter. There's one called Mama Ruth, and there's Miss Jerry. Miss Jerry is a teacher, a kind African female teacher, and Mama Ruth is an elderly African village woman who is dark and wrinkled skin. So these AI prompts will actually help us generate our AI images, which is very good because we'll now be copy pasting the image prompts. So now we have our AI image prompts, and now we need to go ahead and generate our AI images. And with this, I love to use Whisk.ai. Whisk is so user friendly, and I'd say it's somehow free, and it's also so generous when it comes to how many images you can create. So head over to your browser and type Whisk.ai and select the first option, and go ahead and sign in if you've not signed in. So once you've signed in, you'll be brought to such an interface, and just click on enter tool. And what you do next, click on add images. So you can see there's a pencil and there's a place where you can add images from your gallery. So for us, we don't need to add images from our gallery because we want to create new images. So click on the pencil and enter your image generation prompt. So let's go back to ChatGPT and copy our image prompts. So let's start by copying Amina's prompt. Copy, go back to Chrome and paste our prompt. And because ChatGPT did not include 3D Pixar style, let's do that. Please remember to include it in all your prompts so that you can get your images in 3D Pixar style. Click on generate. If you love the image, click on download. So now we've downloaded Amina's image as a small girl, and ChatGPT has given us another image for Amina as a preteen or a teenager. So let's go ahead and copy the prompt. Go to Whisk and click on the pencil icon, paste your prompts, and always remember to add in 3D Pixar style. Click on generate and let's see what Whisk gives us. So I love the second image. Let's download it. Let's now copy Amina's father, who's called Moses. Let's copy his image prompt. I'll go back to Whisk. Click on the pencil icon. Paste your prompt and remember to add in 3D Pixar style. And now we've got our third image. Click on download. And if you want to add another image, click on the plus sign on top here, and it will allow you to add another image. Now let's do this for our last image and copy the prompt. Paste our prompt on Whisk, include in 3D Pixar style. Click on generate. And now we've got all our images. So these images that we've created are for each individual character, but now we want to create images for scenes where a character may be more than one, maybe 2 or 3 characters. So let's go on and copy our prompt, and I'll show you what to do. So to avoid any mistake, I'd advise that you read your prompt very well and see how many characters are in your prompt. So for our first prompt, we have Amina and her real mother Mariam. So let's copy the prompt. Go to Whisk and select Amina and her mother, and make sure that none other image is highlighted, and click on the X sign up here. So you can see here that we only have Amina and her mother, and so we can paste our prompt right here. So remember that you want to maintain consistent characters. If you have more than one character, so go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt and paste it here. And now let's see what Whisk gives us. Wow, Whisk has given us 5 good images, different images. So you can choose whichever one you want. So download the image that you want and then click on add images to continue to your next prompt. So for our next prompt, we have Mariam, Amina, and Moses, the father. So let's copy the prompt. Go to Whisk and highlight only Mariam, Amina, and the father. So once you've highlighted, click on the X. You can see the images are added. So let's copy our next prompt and go to Whisk and highlight only Amina and her father. Click on the X, paste your prompt and click on generate. Let's see what Whisk gives us. So Whisk has given us 2 images for our prompt. You can pick the one that you want. Click on download and continue doing this for all your images. So now that we have all our AI images, now let's go do exactly what brought us here, and that's to make our AI images have dialogue and create a very good movie with consistent characters. And I love to generate my images in Whisk AI or any other AI image generator because I feel it's much easier when you have your images ready. And for our video generation, we'll be using one.video.ai. To your Chrome and search for one.video. Scroll down until you see this website with a purple favicon. You'll see it right here. Click on it and it will take you direct to this interface, and make sure that you sign in if you've not signed in. So once you're here, just go back to ChatGPT and copy your prompt. Come back and paste your prompt right here. Then click on add frame to upload your photo, the photo that you want to start your video with. And if you want your video to end with a different frame, just click on the ending frame to add the image that you want your video to end with. So once you've pasted your prompt, you've added your frames, now click on generate. Wait for your video to be generated. For our first video, we have Amina and the father crying because Amina's mother is dead. So this is the prompt, and I've also added the image. So click on generate and let's see what one.video gives us. Wow, you can see the end result.
This is so hard to accept.
Why did you leave us, Mother? Why did you die?
So one.video will only give you 10 credits, but if you want to make more of these videos, please just log in with a different account. You'll continue getting more and more credits. Even though you don't want to generate any video, just continue checking in on daily basis, because once you check in, your points, your credits will continue piling up, and the day you want to generate a video, you'll have so many points. So make sure that you check in on daily basis with all those accounts that you have and continue piling up those points. So our next video that we'll be generating will be of Amina and the stepmother, because once the mother died, the father remarried again, and the stepmother was so abusive to Amina. So the video will be of the stepmother waking Amina in the morning, very early in the morning, to go and fetch water. But she'll be doing that in a very aggressive manner. So let's copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Add our image and click on generate, and let's wait for the video to be generated. And wow, you can see the end result. It's so amazing. So let's play the video and see it.
Wake up very fast and go fetch water.
It's okay, Mother. I'm awake. Don't beat me.
So you can continue doing this to all your images, generate them into videos until you reach your last scene. So once you're done generating all your videos, now you want to combine them and bring them into one long movie or a video. And I love doing this with CapCut. So let me show you exactly how you can do that. So open your CapCut and click on create. Click on import and it will take you to your gallery, and highlight all your video clips and make sure that you start from the bottom, because the ones that you generated first are below here on the bottom. So highlight the ones that you want and click on done. And now listen to all your video clips and trim the unwanted parts. And once you're done, click on export and you have your video or your movie right there with you. And now let's listen to what we created.
This is so hard to accept.
Why did you leave us, Mother? Why did you die?
Wake up very fast and go fetch water.
It's okay, Mother. I'm awake. Don't beat me. Mother did not give me food during lunchtime, and I'm so hungry.
Here, I brought you some food. Eat, my daughter.
So thank you so much for watching. My name is Caro, and please, if you didn't understand any part, make sure that you ask in the comment section and I'll make sure that I answer you. Thank you so much, and until the next video, may God bless your YouTube journey.